Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we brought for you the solution for the Ninebot Mini Plus holder that you can carry it, because I don't know which idiot who created this Ninebot Mini Plus that he created this version without holder. How could I carry it right and left and like this? Guys, about remote, not everywhere you can took this remote with you. It's not everywhere. I mean, especially in some cities like stupid where I am, and some countries stupid where I am here, you cannot use the remote everywhere because there is a lot of troll people. Anyway, this is the, so I decided I bought for you today the solution. Finally, I bought the holder. This came from China, and this is gift $5 card. Wow, this is cool. Which is mean next thing I'll order, I will have $5 discount. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks like. Actually, I never ordered something like this, but looks something nice. It's cost me $100, except shipping. Shipping was, oh my god. So this is, guys, by the way, I adore to do this without air. Oh, it's not doing. Yeah. Anyway, we have here spikes. Let's check them. And we have here the let's see. Here holder, I get it. Here holder, which is mean to install it. You got me? Yeah. You will open like this. Yeah, you will open like this. You will put the stack, and this one will you will install it in the body. Okay, we have here. This is another holder. Yeah, this is the most important, guys. This gum is so important. You know why? Otherwise it will itch to the body. Yeah, so take care of this gum. Do not lose it, even if you have to make it later by super glue, that you will not escape. Okay, we have the stack here to adjust it. And guys, at the moment, I don't know why the stupid Ninebot company, they didn't create holder by themselves for the Plus. This is normal Chinese company. She created this. Yeah, see, you press button. Wow, this is really, it's too long. You know, guys, it's almost 1 meter. Wow, it's like for back for traveling. You press the button and you without it. Nice quality. You know, guys, her quality better than the quality for holder for Ninebot Z10. The holder for Ninebot Z10 is so sucks quality. So finally, here's the Plus. Let's bring it. I will make another video for you how to install it. You got me? I will do for you video here. So it will be like this. Kind of stupid little bit, but this is the only option that we have. There is no other option. So I will do another video for installing it. And this is just was the idea for the Ninebot. And let's see this, by the way, how this bike looks like before I end my video. And I will start for you another video how to install it. Okay. Anyway, it's kind of expensive, $100 for a holder, but I didn't see any other solution. Actually, you need this holder, because without this holder, it's kind of suffering, you know. Oh my god, what's all this? Fucking shit, looks like it's headache. Okay, as you guys see here, you have 1 key, 2 keys, and you have this holders for, I know where is this 4 will installed, and you have this spikes, and you have this I don't know what they call it by English actually. Anyway, don't waste any one of them because they are all important. Okay guys, I will figure a way how to connect it, and I will do for you another video how to connect it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again with another video. Subscribe or I will beat you by this on your head, bang, 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 like Tom and Jerry. Please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. I'm doing my best for you guys, and actually I not got anything from this YouTube channel, not even 1 cent until now, just to do this for fun and for show you things. So peace and love for everyone with Hatem for Objection. Don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe. Dare to not subscribe.